Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos.
Welcome again friends. Windows 10 has a functionality that allows using your sign-in information to automatically access your account to finish setting up your device after a quality or feature update. Starting with the Windows 10 Fall Creators Update, the functionality expands to regular reboots and shutdowns when using the Start menu or other power options using other locations to speed up the sign-in process. As a result of this enhancement, Windows 10 now is capable to restore the apps you're running in the last session automatically. Of course, as long as the app has been designed to restart automatically. While this might be a convenient feature for many users to speed up the sign-in process and pick up where you left off more quickly, it's not a feature for everyone. Thankfully, you can use the Settings app to stop this behavior. In this video, you'll learn the steps to prevent apps from the last session to restart automatically every time you sign into your account. To stop Windows 10 from reopening your previous running applications, use these steps. First, open Settings and click on Accounts. Next, click on Sign In options. Under Privacy, turn off the Use My Sign In info to automatically finish setting up my device after an update or restart toggle switch. Once you've completed the steps, apps will no longer start automatically after restarting or shutting down your PC. However, after installing a quality or feature update, you'll need to sign in to complete the setup, which could take a long time.